Yo, what's up, guys? Your boy FX Millionaire right here with another video. On today's video, guys, I'm just gonna talk about the volatility 25, guys. Is a current setup that I just saw that is about to happen, and I want to say it for you guys. You know, your boy got you, and I'm back finally here with some new videos. If you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, please don't forget to turn on your notification. That's the first thing. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So if you guys didn't watch the previous video where I share you this current strategy that I'm about to show you in this breakdown, you can just watch my previous video on how to use this strategy, guys. So let's jump straight into it. So what we could have seen right here on the 25 market indexes, guys, that we can see that price basically was creating this ascending correction. I was waiting for price to break above 1920, 1927, but price decided to break out of our trend line, and now we can see price is heading to 817.88. So what we can do in this scenarios, guys, is to take advantage of the counter trends on our smaller time frames, like our 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour, as you guys can remember. So if we scale down to our 4 hour time frame right now, guys, just to see what price is currently doing, right? So what we guys could have seen right here, we have this massive push here to the downside. We got a beautiful 38% retracement, if I'm just correct on my Fibonacci. Let me just include that so you guys can see what I basically mean. So oh, yep. We got almost 50% retracement right here on our Fibonacci, as you guys can see. And now price is basically really steady to the downside. So this setup that I'm about to give you guys is on the 1 hour time frame, right? So let's scale into our 1 hour time frame right now, guys. So as you guys could have seen right here, as you guys could have seen right here right now, is that price did break under this previous region right here. Is the area of support, right? We have this impulsive move here to the downside. So what we can basically expect for price to do right now is for price to come back and retest this previous regions right here, and then we can expect price to come and test 17.88 easily, guys. So let's scale into our smaller time frames right now just to get more the intraday trend, right? So here we can see that price basically starting to creating this descending correction formation for us here already, and you guys can see we have this bullish candle, so we can expect this, and then we can expect a move here to the upside. So the question is right now, how will I take advantage of this trading opportunity once price come into this resistance zone right here? So what I would do, right, guys, is that I will build confluence up, right? So how I'm gonna take advantage of this and trade this setup is to wait for price to show me a M formation, right? Because why history repeat himself. If we just take a look right here, previously price break to the downside, run back to the upside. I don't like to take the first opportunity, but as you guys in a rush, you guys can take advantage of that, but your boy like to take the second rejection from our area of resistance. So there you guys can see we have a bearish engulfing candle. There was a great opportunity to take a trading opportunity and keep your stop just above our previous area of resistance. So that is what we're gonna wait for price to showing us right here. Once price come into this 1800 region, guys, we're gonna wait for price to create a M formation. So once that price starting to create an M formation, guys, we're gonna take advantage from our trading position, and we're gonna place our stops just above here. So if price started to move back and creating a W formation, then guys, you must just be patient. Don't get out of your trade. Don't think that the price and your trade is wrong. It's not wrong. Your trade is still valid. Price can easily just come and create a head and shoulders, right? And once price creating a head and shoulders, guys, you know this is synthetic markets. You can take advantage of that. I will, in my perspective, I will enter another trade, right? I don't say you guys must enter another trading opportunity, but just enter another trade with a smaller risk, right? And now you have to trade secure already in this position, and your main targets on this position, guys, will be 17.88, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy this this breakdown video and this insight on the volatile 25 market, because why I know I did lack a bit and I didn't produce what I was promising to you guys, and your boy is back. I can promise you that, right? Your boy got to do it and bring it for you guys. You know I gotta do it, and I gotta provide for all of you guys. I know how life is out there, and we're currently in another recession, so now is the time to serve. Now is the time to help. Now is the time to grow, guys. It's your boy FXGK. May you guys have a great ass weekend, and I'm out.